Our Adom 106.3 FM. About your good afternoon. And Pum et saying. And then Sunyame Eddie Acheye. And there a Benada June Busomene de Tosso and 9. The 4th of June. Ghana had the Upimu Maimua. June 4th there and India. Anke date be out. Actually. Na ni nyina mu ye de aseda na ye de merade won pempen so awodin adure. Ogusuti 106.3 FM. Na said Tuesday bia ye no. Ye ho aduro. Ye san ho yare. Yes. Every Tuesday bia de no. Your friend confessions. And Tuesday bia na ma akwanya sebe ya obetimi aba dwumedi so. Na se asembi ehaw ade bi teteo edunya ehyew so epraw. Enso hunu kwan ya onfanfa so a na one ache sa asem no. Na said I metai kanu nyame enam counselor Oscar Sripi so ebe find a solution to sa problem na etetewa edunya. Amen. Adane kodana wo so enti oda wona no etetew na amache se fo na wo fo problem no ebe free ho. Yeah. Your friend Jerry Justice. Ewie nso emaniji pass me no ehia. Ewo Ofie Kwanso dwumedi so wa Adom 106.3 FM. As they do on come producers no Papa Bills, African, Akete, Ebison Koma Zoo. On us we try to social media and so Emma man for yeah wo Facebook one Facebook live at them and we are Adom 106.3 FM. Also with me I check in one who said the name AC Koefa. I was studio live. That's right. Shano say no ten free sabre kopem say bebo nwumre no nsia na ya boabo en wode kase bo abrel ensem awodo ni nyina no ye de baba be som e wo ye Adom 106.3 FM. Nemom se si ai de mimbie ahoma no entum preko na yenkoye nim 0302 216 561 Afe 0302 216 562 The woman says ofra membo wudin enkyere yen baby a wokasa free no de men kan chen nemum go straight to the point na asem na ehaw no ene enche. Yes, just let us know what the problem is. Sometimes just by sharing that problem with us and no crown to me ma asudi no cross de e budro tie no e bitimi e free so and to the modin and come baby our free dem asem na e haw na e tete wo no eno e na bomodin na ene enche. First caller e wa man so hello, good afternoon. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Patrick Frosay. Jenny Moka Safri. Oh, sorry. Oh, nah. Yeah. Atiafas, unim. Facha mo, all the days ni na no. Obia my friend biza di din baby ofi. Etunim. De be ne say, wo di kan bo ni de hold on. Ode tie. Eja di moyi. The be ni ude gina man so mema omne wa kasa off air na yetie wasem no off air why na actually be nkwa de be fast why akete one eja ni mo kasa off air na ude tie na asem no yeah eduma ye de di ya fa foforo na ye ma ono mra air na e pa cho say wa utie mi se mi re fi mi na mi biza say odin de say kra ka say jerry me mo why na I am not pressure. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. To say. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Me patron want to say.
Patron,
great. All right, patron, it's you.
Patron, my family say. I'm the age of 26 years.
What's it?
I'm the age of 26 years.
26.
And I promised myself to get married before that I will break my virginity. And
me patron, say and where are
I'm 26.
You are still 26.
Yes.
Okay.
And something happened, and the guy forced to sleep with me.
He forced his way.
He forced to sleep with me.
Me patron, me know about already, no, wow. Now, am I intimate to can was 70 years? Why now? Feedback ne bums are terrible.
Hello.
Yes.
Patron, and I'm mistake.
Oh, too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Yentwaso. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes.
Me patron member Dinchen why? What they can was some street why?
Man be out 3.
One man be out 3.
Ba me kasa kakra ba dem na
me ba. Hello. Aya momanye eyi kakra mayen. Untimi ne ma bi mo 3 sa. Enti onipa no oyo okunu ana se
onye me mbode.
But one ne nete. Okay, now you funny say. Now only bema bi nete. On ware o. Na only no e 3. And the cozy say.
Akasa kakra ba dem me see encha kom ma me ho madina. Na boy bi ko say me won ti o kase. Nko on ware me bi o na busiafo na bo o ma fadin so be me. Yeah, ha me kakra.
They all can mentia so bema na won na wo 3 no. Won ne ti on ware o ye.
Me come na me
ba. Ya e ho no tie ye be ba o ye nye no one by one. Won ne ti mo ware e na sister. Me sinya abotre.
Okay.
Why? Won bema na tena mo awo ma miensa ba to onye on ho ade. Ena won na nya akasa. Ena akasa no mu no wo call ma me nchen kakra because of ntokwaniti. Ena wo call nyabotre. Wo call ma me nchen no ena won be ma foforo nso asan akofa yafunu. Na se say amade on na wo miensa ne se on ware obi mu.
Ena abusiafo na fa plan on be say.
Ere be ma na busuafo nso on be say wo. On be say wo se sen.
Yes. Me kana be ma no so le.
Dabi o se no se be ma no se wo ne obe ma foforo akọ nti on ware obi mu. Enye za. Enti se wo so on ware obi mu dia se no ne de bi mu na.
Me ka se on pen bi ma onja me na me mba me kra. So abusia na agin so be say me.
Me ba na wan ka sa be ma ya na wo 3 wo da so pe na o ka se nko be ware wa be ware no.
Say abusia ni ye ni jama ma agin ma ti asisa.
Wa adwen asisa sen.
Me so se bi on be.
Enti o ka so be ware wo kra anya de abe ware ni sisi.
No ma ko le tawa o so ware me bi.
Wo apa ni chewa se nko ware ba o se maso bi mu. Na me ba o foforo na wo ne na akwanyum yi so no akola no ogusu hwe oye mu ana wa wo no.
Wanya 4 years. Papa wan keme.
Nti ono so niwa ono so betimi aware o.
Onyin se me no ko Nigeria. Ndi we see am me mba bi owo.
Nti ono kwa de onim no where about.
Debi akola na me na national Kenya 4 years. By me ko me na wo tre na busia no ma fa gin bi so mbe se me.
E ho na menti ase no. E ho adwen no mo afa se mbe se wo no. Wo ye de na hu za e de enti na ma wo kan se no.
Me ma tre no wo be ma no nten. Nti me ko no mo ka se o papa. Aya no o ye bia no ka se mo me o nye o be se me.
Eti nkola na atete sa asem no mo ka kire o. Councilor beba mu ai into the coswati asemu Yes. Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Miniana Boko there.
Pacho, I did not.
If I show you in somewhere.
Pacho, Nammy, or Babino. Our back. And when you.
Sir, and come on, I am more bomb, man, clay. Or Baron, one in it is so why I say only will be chimpran and call away, and I tell you why. More chimpran, and 1 day. And on in the Wobacco.
Pacho,
Any could saying.
Anyway, I can set it to yourself. And now, one upon hand. And to be better, that they all
me, dear, actually, dear, now kind of man, tells you.
I can set it to yourself. And I'll let you upon hand and put in the moon. The temple at your cry, I wouldn't do my look behind that.
Open so who are drinking when you Jim to or the alcohol and the alcohol. They say no or no TB one walk pen baby at now.
Yes, a boy.
Now, Colana on an hour on swing.
Or one inch.
Only a Colana quotna. Now, Osha Colana there. But on Pesa baby, are quotna also about who you own.
Oh,
Naya Oko Sana, just Oko show bano, I Oko show bano on honor.
Uncle Forty men call.
Uncle Forty men call, Tiwangas and son call. It's the same, no, dear now, with me. You say, damn one here.
Anyway, Mr. It's Yaha. But don't go hide that. I just said, or was it? Only we are the council.
I hope I saw the reason why it's your bano after Katakasa and Wage House. Only in a Katakasa and Tia Katakasa Mutina Mono to Atinu Yana.
Anyway,
you all right. Councillor Bamuso, why? Now, baby, I never quack. And then some. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
The patron want to say,
I'm Adom, Brother.
Nah, the patron yet you.
Brother.
Yes.
With them patron. Music pa, the idea so. I am my pop party. Me person span mo de boa me. Me pam chawate. Me hawa no. Enti mo family na ma off na ya pa.
And come back and say me but menka into the young friends you answer I am fire next caller. I don't know. I can say me PF manual but said the minimum there be into the menka. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
At the same.
Boko.
If I show you to you, why?
Majama make can be Mako ha obi dan. The dana me ha. Me tamun so. Abi ni pa kona ja be jwan se me ban for India advance. Na ma fa ma no. Ti mi buja se we won betumi ana.
What rented dine for how long?
2 years.
And I watch how to see what trying.
Oh, November we na me tamun so.
November and our time beson.
But it's kind of the Obusham say somewhere February more and you move it Obusham.
Okay, and now Oka say mano another 1 year the
advance.
And now say o time we answer you. It's the see no say November so nya mind you go so to. And you are saying
me busa say and say come man until obagi won say bi o do obetumi ana na o ka obetumi a eyemra
say ni 2 years we there lock akra bam this rent if but say 2 years no so na say o ka so on fa dining rent bi mu a udimi nya ne hwe udimi na udimi so nka say e bi asa sika na wa man sintina ma ogina so enso betimi aba say eno so nti e na o ma to aso bi ba ende ni na o hwe anisem the baby Eddie. If you are for an alternative way, I should be in that though. And to say ambition will be an Ubian. Tenants will be one with if you have will be soon. Yes, oh, next call. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ete say.
Ate.
Me pacho yeti wasem.
Pacho me house.
Me pacho ma wonne so man kakra wa na ise wo kasa no wechiri.
Me pacho me house say. Me guy bi ne ho.
One guy bi ne wo ho.
Pacho.
Ma wo ho for how long?
We are getting to a year.
Aye.
Getting to a year.
Getting to a year.
Aye. But he may sit Saturday. And no catch.
Me pacho ha gina ye kakra na line breaky why?
Me pacho be Saturday. And no catch. Okomi be elbow run about. But only one. And the personal effort out. And you be only Shanwana is getting a friend now. And balance on the higher
I'm finding it very difficult hearing the assembly wokan. Me pacho gina baby ye kakra ma me na. Se manti wa asem na be din pa why?
So tell me.
I say breaky. Wo say abrante no okra wo say okohia obi.
Me pacho
na onipa ko okohia no onim no.
Me pacho.
But o ka kire o.
Me pacho.
Na okohia onipa ko de na si e.
Okohia onipa ko. Intina ata. Inti ya bo ina no be. I'm a friend me out. Anyembia favor na be friend no. Na o ka or shemu. So he set late. On briefly. I want to make us anyhow. Cow not around.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm so online in why, but what they say catching. So now, no, what's the problem now? Then I'm here because story now can line break intimate.
Okay. Because it's not the same. It's how we take it to pay. Meaning really, no, it's over. It's you on so.
No. I didn't crack at this is bad. It's rather unfortunate. Yeah, for last one. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho to say.
All
right, into you.
And after reflecting, I'm not really listening, but still me walk on.
Wow, and the line there. Some way. I said no can answer the worship to be mad. Yes, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, boss book out there.
And Adom, Pacho.
I miss me where you're yes, all the better, patriot you.
Pacho, nominate Gabby to school.
To boss, only gave me day to school. School there, SSR University.
I started for JHS to SS.
JHS. To SHS. And now in the champion. Now, how many years?
23 years.
23. And you see much. Now, and you want to train prana BCSS on the cuisine.
Now, I think that you're very later. So, you can't get anything again if a farm man and the group. Again, it's about me saying, Mammy will get an Mammy to work for Bang, because you can get into the son of my mother, and not one can.
And they say, who name the reason why both sides need now be a movie and not both no.
But the call getting it again, my minute you see a deeper.
Or behind
about me, no, I bomb a party. But the same reason to uncle.
Ain't he?
Papa soon the son and so uncle.
It you almost say, I'm on person on peninsula on my worry. And also dog on carpet on so I again. Now, what be so papa and no mammy the reason why I'm on pro banana seven?
Maybe some papa and Bisana, Uncle Sammy Bama may say, name the reason why no.
Oh, mammy, so name the reason why.
But
now I'm all banners where Bisana for the reason why they also don't like you.
Abana say so bitane ma me na ma me bu efunti. So bitane bibia ko mfama no.
Sa. Ya te why? Nti de councilor be bom no are say mo bi ho e betimi aboa mo na modu ya mo hwa ase ache say ye de from GHS SHS. Hello, you for last one. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. It's say. Nice. If I show it you.
If I told my fine.
One now kasana la e break no.
That's fine.
Oh, chese abranche nso okohia obi onipa ko no onim no no.
That's fine.
Nti okohia onipa ko no wie no e na ye den.
It's later me or shape.
Ubi sa no e no se odi onipa ko no hwe movie.
Or movie it's my friend is so don't you know. Or be you know anything my friend. My tracker application. It's no way. Okay. So me any with that
baby, I with your reception here bad. Say no, okay, fine. Me say me to wasi ya. After say o question say ade na hefa no wo ne ade na che say wo bisa no oba back no ni bu afu say ade na o frefre no was I know have this meeting ko hwe ni movie ku no and because of that you also on ntina bi me yes ah and you also did your any sharp anyway yate eti councilor bebem why obia of a kwan of fast wa or the end relationship but akwa di utimi there okay yemfa last one okay hello good afternoon it is a
Adom
nice but you too
me brother me dey say like me papa wo me no wan hwe me we some DSS and DSS but see we na me dey call you me say me see adwuma nti no oye me den ana we mi ya me ana me sister me ma me ketwa e dey me dey say adwuma but you say me see adwuma no be me kai say me papa bi adi say bi ankofo bi kan mo papa nse na ma kai say me wo papa bi wo na last of plan say dentina men friend bi na de wa ya me boni bi ana na men friend na ya men friend no me onye me hwe dem mean so wan hwe me ntama me hu do na say kai a me kai no eni ni ja me say cancel say me de me
na wo ye da na hu say wo papa nkola brim no wan hwe
da bi o nya say me nkola me ni ye ni na beti ele
say bia na nkola brim no hwe but edu time onyi ye na sa time no so na e bia ono so akwa ho kire mutina no ntimi hwe obeden hu
me be 14 years na me hu me papa me ma me che say onem ne wo ye no me papa che say ono na me enye me onti e ma me e de me ko walu ebi fufuro nti nipa no na erezi ni anti 14 years na me ma me kire me say me papa wo ti nti me ko ho no so oba o ne ne ti no ebi mani ama me papa na nkata pamo no so nti me nti na bi na me kan ba me ma me wo be so na me nti bi a me papa nti e to de bi na me frɛ no kora emi ya me na last bi kora de me call no wa to cassette egu wo na me bi kan say na da uni TV uni light na cassette ya wa to e o ka ja me say ebi de ti dan obi kan to chen fun ansa me ya ti dan so nti amaje say ne hu do no me kai say me papa mu mu
okay that's it fancy yo yene counselor ebe kasa na counselor ahwe na wayi nsemi ano ede aman nsemi bi ha but yen fast that case my proud sponsors Feco spray starch or see looky sharp fato atade no o dress na obasa na hu say o ye guy on dem patch no mo hwe me we isu say me shirt no say mato amanato what I say en no Feco ya na mde gusu asara I guy you know what I'm saying a man on here very easy crowd they on fast wa na be biatete come now na o sen no on dem patch yeah TPBH according to ade we are na nice fragrance so nti when you use perfume gradual you are good to go. Eso pan to spray a check ansa na ansa. Feco spray starch also looking sharp. We another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Available at shops and stores and supermarkets. I would only na emu. And what you know say do farmer Petra Trust. Or say ma odachi in here. Na eni shasye etoto niema ye. Sebe na dachi biano. Ons wait me de was it name. Very simple cry. Very simple cry. It make sure say we employer no tier 2 contributions no utiana regularly. So who the status of your pension contributions. Now if you why no trustee yeah that or lump sum benefit will be to your amount at retirement. You need to know all these things. Now to take his advice we now any employer and kasa immediately for your trustee no ne verify or contact details ni na neshe say e bi nko ya na wa correct those irregularities ni na so pension no Petra Trust Fund and Management wa very simple. File phone nebo *447*70#. Now we select option 5. Now I submit your contact details no for verification. You can also visit www.petratrust.com for further enquiries. Petra, achieve more. Yeah, to also echo yenimwa. Asida eduono yemfa ema Kojak Farmer. Or my Kojak F&P toothpaste na fi Kojak F&P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. The I say udi ade a de ade chilled and ade hot now say film one. Use to Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash. Ebejai. O then a severe one pa now we use to Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch it to Kojak F. But for best result, I have a Kojak sensitive toothbrush no count. Never choosing where we what solves our problem. No. Available our pharmacy shops I don't need name across the country. The door panel. She Kojak from a check can she drag lane. Yes, our friend 0249-209-920 and our fee 0260-870-780. Actually, no, and for being we do I and also a day and I said dear my pro sponsors you know and no a guaranteed trust bank. Yeah, and name or boama man for me to the pa or Afcon ya. Ebo baimu. O baby we need big time pa trip pa to Egypt no akwa Afcon bi. And no say GT Bank and Visa International na kabum every what the customers are on be making payments with their Visa debit or prepaid cards now. And they will multi unforgettable Afcon experience. If it's Saturday till the 10th of June, 2 customers, you will be use some Visa card now, you know, for a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions. No, we need a fun pack trip for 2 to Egypt. Share any Afcon group stage game beer of your choice. Now, 1 lucky customer as with me, we need the ultimate package, you know, and only say, on the wife and on any kunu, and in a bar, and we call Kupim or Egypt. Now, the players know. If it's channel no more be PM or pitch no na na do banaka ho na sa ankola na ya escort players neba no na che say sa no ne omo ba na ade oba no so a superstar. So from now till July no they make sure so be use GT Bank Visa card no they are at least 1 transaction daily for a week. Say be also bit me a pass to an Afcon viewing party. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries for 050-144-9490 and a fee 050-140-9480. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Yeah, don't want to say almost so ya sne na itimi a day confessions here bro and a day na sabride counselor Oscar Sripi Ayakrado ewa homano so enu tie betie no na enchichim kakra wo e de man won semo amanfo de bedan na ewie no o de aman. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nyame Adom enen so de a che ye gidi se won so ho ye pa
o nyame Adom ho ye pa
yo ye de nyame ase. Counselor en sha se mfa fi ase ho no mum no abrante eche se ne papa anhwe no anka di free ase de abasro. Okay, Maminka Brofo. Let's start from the bottom. So you know. Counselor, Ezi Abranti HS ne papa anhwe no. Okay, it's also papa and Sheno. At age 14 crowns and who say ne papa ne asimesi emo ko hwe ne chia kwan still a papa na mbuano because of this nti ne sister and a boy in this life wow they be do baby or they be do na ene ya wanyi no omu an papa ntimi friend so ade na ya on friend on mehwe no ntene kan ne ade a na on de onye ne hwe nti bibie ni a ya omra che say papa no person ne fine but on so say onya saa atenka no onya saa odo no emfa ma papa no nti on kwa na ne refi mpo say or be a friend say ja just enkrofo kan papa ho asem wansa na ono so aka say ebi o obi o baby nti ohun kwan ya onfa sa asem we emfa so
me that the chief people oh akode bia no the unia that child needs emotional comfort and spiritual protection akode bia
yeah.
The moment you don't build that emotional bond with your child, so there's nothing you can do about it. I say, if the two of you don't bond emotionally, no one will not say. If you say, if you give that to a child, you must be there for the child emotionally. The moment you deny that child emotional bond, not only what I will tell the guy is you should not hold any bitterness against the papa.
Okay.
Don't hold any bitterness. But the father must understand say I expect anybody to preference. So I am because of friend one. There's nothing they are going to talk about. A honor and man way at the bar. Isn't it a mother here? Not I say, no, it will come to Father's Day. Yeah. Because Mammy Paul is able to build that emotional bond with their children. It's a colony new thing or what is because of that emotional bond. They also want to be there for their mothers emotionally. So yes, don't hold any bitterness against your father. The Nyamia to him now will be give to him. But the father must understand. Said according to that intent, the preference, that emotional bond, it is not there. Because the father did not build it. It is all your parents, no senior. If you don't build emotional bonds with your children today, don't expect them to be there for you emotionally tomorrow. Yes, remember, yes, on your man. But don't expect that what are you going to talk about? Because emotionally, and I'm saying that for the that child needs emotional comfort and spiritual protection. One family for the that's the problem. We have a lot of deviants in Parabunam. It's not that they are bad. It's because when they were growing up, they did not have emotional comfort. Once they grow with that, it becomes a problem. If you adopt us or don't, we need to move here unless the Yankopon intervene. So yes, don't hold anything against your father in terms of the bitterness. But I want the father to understand that the bond emotional is not there. Or will be beyond one man. But so Baba can just say, why is the Baba can in penny at them? At the end of and you cannot give what you don't have. You give what you have. Because of the emotional bonds, who wants a gradually now open the panel and power. I mean, can be interested. Bible is saying, those who draw closer to God, God reveals secrets to them. And even Yami, so also now men one. There's a limit to which we will maybe. So, gentlemen, don't hold any bitterness against your father. Give to him. But I know that emotionally he was not there for you.
Okay.
And because of that, emotionally he cannot be there for you. It's normal. If you are not there for your children today emotionally, he will not be there for you tomorrow emotionally. And people must understand that way. So let's begin to work on that. Every child, when it's grown up, needs spiritual protection, emotional comfort.
Okay. The idea will be, Abraham THS at JHS and on the Ocean and Dofo. And on any share why be do SHS in there and we. Now, say no, or the Obana Chico, ne parents wa. Now, Omubu from Huna no Mwedra. I saw Mum Penasem. Or the Oban Sudin Chico Fio, or no parents who Obana, no Musubufu. What be son and mammy and papa. But ne papa do Bizana, papa and Pesobeka, Hoshe, by mamma, so say, unim the reason why and Sunti. Na obisa oba so say ono so mbisa na for the reason why I'm penasem no almost went me enya tangible reason bia amfa man but I say omo me nwi na family to no bia ampe so be asset
agro na be ndomo bi that is the only na no abe mi bia sino ye bi nia ansa ye bi e fata yes one ye bi nia first. And so why be a papa? A bit of also, none and this body side.
Yeah.
I won't want it up. For all you know, now they want their daughter to be with a certain personality. Because almost a peer, almost a guy now. On your people now, the family teacher. Be a girl, guys, to my mission, get one. On what the family teacher. So, and come to a no more yet near best. We're focusing on the education. They will share the camp. And also, if no focus on that one first. Time in it, other things will follow. The Usha, no need man now. What those I know. Sometimes your parents don't want it. They don't need that. But they will need to a certain age. Now the same parents they ask you, I don't know what to make.
Yeah, I am Papa.
You got time maybe. There's time for everything under the sun. I'm gonna move in some days, no. A baby. And the two of them must accept it and move on with their life. Because look what you do. Never money my miss yourself. Or find Papa yourself. Jack, it's better to be giant.
Sure.
Because at the end of the day, marriage is between the Bushia. If it was a police among Penia, and no, I'm not good. And that is why young people move here who go school, focus on your education first.
Okay.
Push your become whatever trade you are learning, learn it well at the right time. Other things will follow.
Okay.
Who starting there? You will get to that point. When the parents assess you realize that maybe it will judge. Some meet the expectations of our child. Not going to.
Okay.
If you be with the way of parents don't be even know, I can tell him on authority. I'm going to. You should move on with your life.
All right. Okay. So the next one, Abraham TV on also on your bar, and also on a guy be quiet for almost a year now. Now, and Che Biana or Bemanaka chance or call out Aquacushia Ubi to be sound so nipa kono so unimu nipa kono aquaco meeting no. The ICB Okushi will be for the first time. She kept calling, trying to find out where has he got into nipa kono Okushia no there. I feel do baby your friend also. He was watching a movie. Yeah, the umu announced was her friend and later no Beman back no. And she was mad at the girl say Adentina. No cause of friend like she kept calling him to find out what he was up to. Because of that, or calling relationship no off. Now the lady is worried or person finding out. I say we didn't shut down yes for the visa.
It sounds very trivial. It sounds very trivial. But to be person in Jaya or baby is enough for one day. No, it's not to be Jaya. For all you know, my God, why not just go to the but no, yes, enough. And the other way, no. Go to Ningo for them. Already, I'm going to die. But they are not able to gather the confidence, confidence to get themselves to the new die. It's your opportunity.
It's not just the least opportunity no being no.
Easier happens, no. So it's enough to say because of which we believe that. You go for baby that motive. Ono na mo bana kume mo no. Relationship.
Wow.
So all they are looking for is a small opportunity, something trivial, and they will stand on that day. No because of the alcohol. What's the bucket? Na guy we are not letting you. They are waiting for us from the guy na. They will just in a push da. But no baby enough. No.
Okay.
Love is not one dimension. So domina or say we will do. This is your own related to the related now. What do you want? Don't take the different on the only your now. Move on with your life. Catch a valid mistake. That guy is not the only person on this test. But sometimes, no, most of the time, you need to go on number. In our minds, no, apart from Sunday family, will be any of you. And then quiet. And go for the beginning of one and deal with guys. Later on in life, no, he look back and realize that was good said, who done for all. Let the lady understand the guy, no, who are not the top of the guy. He should move on with their life.
Okay. Next one there now as a rent control for issue no or say oriented down for 2 years now 2 years no a best a end in November year but somewhere say jama February more baby na if you run catch so one time man another year the fan count
landlord not set him up what are no of those who run set you up it was set you up by 1 day to know you are going landlord naturally become that. Also need.
Yeah.
And no. The time we go. Although the time we are on you. That is without.
Yeah.
No one farmer.
What you be there?
Just that time in advance. It will change for you to leave.
Okay.
So the only thing can do is that time we don't go record so no man payment.
No fan pay. Okay.
But so only landlord in Babel for years. You know not all the blocks man. But setting up. That me do. Me no go up that me do. I will not even spend 1 day in the house. I also let the landlord understand. At least to me see that I will be a bit na koda. The time they do remember don't take 1 week to the time no. On predict. Nobody the staff on the command say thank you very much. I got 1 week. But I'm okay.
All right.
But on Baba Krawa no na be kulia. Obeba ni yi rufi no. Nti o to ani ku please dine mo. Yeah, man, you are card on into that say
I'm power. All right. Okay. Next one no Abrantie say on Lady B. Ewo bako but omo ware na no mhihye e na misunderstanding bi kakra ba e kakra bia e na oba no aye say ode abufu no efifi nani ba no so na oba na kwa rent baby a chesi ono akwa akotena on her own e no ne akola ne te na sisi ne problem so person who the reason why a lady ne yes na me bisa say nka wakosra no bua oso nkrofo ka chen say monko ndi ono so onko baby a lady ne timpu no akohwa akola no
dize amapa ka chen say monko wa honestly you much and then the welfare of Nibanuka and Kanu. Even if you have a problem with Libya, what about Ubanu?
Yeah.
You must know where the child is. This amount of things when compared with Libya, what they are telling you is Ubanu can make a and it's ready for that. It's very sad.
On the concern in the reason why the lady, rented another place, which is bad.
It's paramount to you. Maybe I'm a cancer. No child will suffer because any papa and mommy died. No, because I couldn't hear it. But he's listening to what other people are telling him. In any case, get an enemy. So what is he talking about? An enemy. Let me assure you, no way, no. By all means, we shall forbid him.
Yeah.
The Nipana, if you are going to be here, go and tell the family. Some one minute, we talk with the baby. But I'll say, I'm not for the mammy for her. And because of that, you won't go there. Even with your child, no, you don't care. Then there's a problem.
Okay.
Don't listen. Be very careful about the people you listen to. Be extremely careful. And you'll be to all kind of power.
Yeah.
I'm saying that young man, for the sake of your child, go and look for where of vanity and see how you will resolve that issue. No child will suffer. But any papa in my main casa.
Okay. Final one, no. Hey, I seem be a hard drink a crapper there. Or Bema Atna. I won't call me and son. Bema and worry no yen one day on neti. And on my own me and son. And on Munya, Akasakasa. It into one. I say we be at Tito Quan by no. Ena or Barney caught. Ne maame ho for some time nanka bibia chireju awasaba no okoi no ne obema foforo nso akwa yefunu ama one ono so awo and now obema no eso on why ni biem but ne battery na aka bema na busuafo no okohwe ne mana nkomodiem no omo keka kan ho nsem ama wo se watetete se omo se omo bese no omo bese so now she is scared say bema na busuafo no anhwe ano mo ayi ni bibi di eno usuro hu sesei ba be man say on why ni bim tina me kura me ka say bia nka be ma ba ko no ono no ko we no so sa be man de onyem no na na em so ko Lagos ne ade ti be su obisi na kura je say on tin the case kura ba bia bi serious serious pa
onu ba ma wo 3
yeah ho ade
and also for Sunday man.
I akasakasa ba na wo ko ma ho ba na wasan ne be.
So when we catch you some above I'm not sure them just. Or the teacher. Or for not the gap say. You dey go and when one nyem one kan one ko baba.
Ko be san dey abrema.
I'm telling you say if you be on very careful. God will one day expose you. The Siano remember in like Parana. There will be any here. And the witness report so be certain so be amen. And you can go and report. Because life is active.
Yeah.
They do some of the reason why I'm amen. But apart from that, they are worrying.
There be.
And sometimes there is me people shall phone you. Ni ke dia people say. Yes, some dey no baba. Never say mistake about. Onu dia one.
One carry 2. One carry.
Obi an carry
3.
3.
It's serious.
Yeah, no one dey. It's the bush and from what you they must bow down their heads in shame. Bow down their heads in shame. They want to homodic opening now 1. Then 1 year. 2. Then in young 1 year. 3. Not to benefit. The bush and from just because they do the beer. Also, bush and from the struggling for the person to understand that the Christian won't mean to do the way of the or him. But in this case, no. Sometimes we have some people for now. You worry where you worry for more. We have some what is the good in the matter? After the threats in there, on call report. But not that we put in the she has disgraced herself already. Not sure the way they have arrangement so that she can go and visit the children.
Okay.
Because Subana woman and Katato sent to mine. Want to mean example money man
at all.
She cannot be an example to the children. We are telling them and to Ayatano. Say, Mumma, men, person the calling change. Because the moon. But the threat in the uncle report, Nibu Safonis sorry. Not again. Open woman Christian, no son of Bravo. So that they can arrange. Don't get your
okay. Councillor Bedawasi, nti kakra bi wa de bitwet echiri ana yemfasi.
Asida nya media. You better me then yakupon for the confession team. There is last week program there here. Nyamia faso aye no man ke see wa man for Bible. I'm turning you to the glory of God.
Amen.
And I thank God for what he's doing.
Amen.
Program there last week about masturbation.
Yeah.
God used that program and he has delivered a lot of people. Testimonies are many and yes more. And I want to thank God for every member of the team. Yeah, confession. The bomb person, God will protect us from every arrows of the enemy.
Amen.
But God will continue to protect us.
Amen.
Protect our homes, our family members, our properties, and the works of our hands. That whatever we are doing, we are only vessels. Let God alone be glorified.
Amen. Amen.
The culture of we are using to be a blessing to humanity. The testimonies, there is amazing.
Wow.
And we thank God for that. Open up, follow me on Facebook. OSCERSIRIPI. OSCERSIRIPI. The testimonies, there is small. We see a program that day, you know. Since then, on your side, even today, I had a call.
Wow.
The program manager, the station manager, that program we know. Protect you.
Amen.
But the testimony from last week's program, I give all the glory to God. We are only best. The glory belongs to God. That's what will be a.
Oh, chance. Yeah, that's a pa.
Media.
Councillor Oscar Sripi and I are attending Kano. It is a utie confession here. Though a be an or problem and an I can. But utie for problems. Now share solution na banana. Pacho no about modern debate to move for why. Baby, I will be, I will do any no. One auntie drew a what yashino. Wow, who ye now dear chin do I are careful. What I say, it TB never to move why. Maybe behind your fine mouth. And let me play this one for a dear friend of mine who is celebrating the birthday today. His name is Mr. Michael Bimpong, aka Uncle T, aka Tieku. Nah, aka Brown Mike. Yes. Now, Brown Mike here making us him. The reason why I friend Tieku, I mean, those days way back, Kakrano, there was a player. I think that no Bomber Hearts of Football or something. Yeah. That time, I mean, follow football, Papa Biasa, but on there, he was so much into football. In fact, Brown Mike or Bobo or yes, soccer. Now, the style of play near the instead of not born, it says our player Tikuno Pepe. It's because of that it will be a friend with Tiku sa na chese akao. Na nan say na say unyi and then you be and I say what forget to be near the auntie. I say unyi and say na born eyes on shed then ya football, but or a great player pa. Akuti, happy birthday to you. Yamisha no your case what me boys no. The omo yen the Tiom kiss cry. O age no can but me stretchy. Me crying che biana 14 my baby do. Do the midwechi why midwechi. Bibia very fine. Happy birthday to you. Ono aso mu bibia we bi what I say. Sunday school near day. Omo watete omo. Bebre. I mean bebre kra be mpanifo ne ade a. What I say? Happy birthday to you, Michael Bimpon of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. Osaya Jumanso, PDS, proper Dumso, Brown Mike, Tio Kunye. Oh my goodness. This song is all yours, right? Oh, good afternoon to you, Nana and Sam Obo, for listening to the show in the UK. Also, yes, Ampa, play a Tio Kuna, how can I say no? Those days, in the early 90s, no Obama had to folk. The Dian Gasa, Anthony Tieku, aka Soon Sam. And then now one more time, shouts going out to you, Michael Bimpon, aka Brad Mike, aka Uncle T, aka Teacher Tieku. It's a say, you say, Tieku are now bought as of folk here, Namnazunti. Said the announce all bought Tiepe Pettis on me. It's a mere fro Tieku. None of your friends who saw me there. And announce who saw me at the back on the home. In this say, Tieku, aka Susan. Happy birthday to her. Obia did the birthday on church page now, that's why she messages near the debate on the no extraordinaire. What are since morning? What? What's up page news where she we're digging into archives near there. Hey, take you do all. Now by kind courtesy MTN, I feel Roma insecticide spray and a Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Yentia somewhere due to you on for two, nothing for irrigated sports and twasso.